To clean lungs, kills bacteria. First, we bring one mandarin, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Mandarin contains antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in lung tissue. Second, we bring 50 grams of walnuts and cut them into small pieces. Walnuts provide essential nutrients such as vitamin E, selenium, and zinc. Third, we bring a piece of ginger, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Ginger can protect lung tissue from oxidative damage. Fourth, we bring 15 grapes. Some studies indicate that flavonoids in grapes improve lung function. Fifth, we bring a carrot, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Carrots contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and airways. Sixth, we put 3 spoons of yogurt on the contents. Then we put 300 milliliters of water and mix all the contents in the blender. Here is a natural drink to clean and protect the lungs. Write to me in the comments if you will try it. Thank you.